Hello, bonjour. Doug Lawrance, Indigenous, Mayor of Sioux. We know you have questions about COVID-19, and while we don't have all of the answers yet, I'd like to share what information we do have as we prepare for mass vaccinations in our community. An increase in COVID-19 cases in Sioux and across the Northwestern Health Unit has resulted in Sioux going into the red zone with associated restrictions and protections. Recognizing the need for greater local coordination, local agencies met under the umbrella of the Municipality of Sioux Municipal COVID Coordination Committee, the M3C, on Saturday, March 13th. The M3C meeting included representatives from about 15 agencies, including the municipality, the Northwestern Health Unit, the Kenora District Services Board, the Sioux First Nations Health Authority, the Maniawan Health Center, tribal councils, the OPP, Out of the Cold Shelter, First Step Women's Shelter, Community Living, National-Bigamic Friendship Center, and the Red Cross. The topics discussed included vaccination rollout, isolation capacity, staffing resources, communications, and the frequency of M3C meetings. There was a high level of cooperation at the meeting, with a common goal of doing all we can to protect our community from the spread of the coronavirus. We know there are concerns in the community about recent increase in positive cases. Please be assured there is no reason for alarm. The Northwestern Health Unit is working hard both on case management and contact tracing, as well as implementing the vaccine rollout in our community. As cases are identified, there is also a need for isolation. Not all community members live in settings that allow for isolation. Several agencies are coordinating their efforts through the M3C to ensure that all community members will have a place to safely isolate if required. And to those who live in northern communities concerned about medical travel to Sioux and Thunder Bay, we understand and appreciate your concerns. Be assured that we are working with our partners to make sure there is space for your community members to isolate if required before returning home. We are proactively exploring additional resources to support the community and create the best possible local response to the pandemic. Residents can rest assured that we are able to handle the caseload at the present time. The rollout of vaccinations will be stepped up in the coming weeks in Sioux. As well as the provincially set priority groups, the M3C is working with our local health unit to identify sectors that may not fit into the provincial model, but should be a local priority group if we want to limit the spread in Sioux. It is very clear that vaccinations are key, and that as soon as your turn for vaccination comes, we strongly encourage you to take it and get vaccinated. Even if you don't feel threatened by coronavirus, you may be a threat to others if you are not vaccinated. The Municipal COVID Coordination Committee will be leading public health communication to the Northwestern Health Unit and directing inquiries related to public health to the NWHU. The M3C will coordinate communications from its partners to the community, providing the community with information and assurance that many agencies are indeed working together to optimize protection of every member of our community. We are committed to providing accurate, up-to-date information. The Municipal COVID Coordination Committee will share details on the upcoming mass vaccination program as they become available from our lead agency, the Northwestern Health Unit, while avoiding potential miscommunication. Placement in the red zone serves as a reminder that we need to remain vigilant in following public health guidelines. Wash our hands frequently, wear our masks, practice physical distancing, and, difficult as it may be not to see family and friends, let's not invite guests into our homes while we are in the red control zone. Perhaps the best protection that each and every one of us can provide to others is through kindness, understanding, and empathy. We will get through this pandemic by abiding by public health guidelines and directions, by treating each other with respect, and by getting vaccinated when our turn comes. A year into this pandemic, Sioux has done an amazing job at limiting our exposure and the number of positive cases. Let's continue the good work we have all done. Get vaccinated when it's our turn and beat this thing together. Thank you. Miigwech.